Okay, so here we are in our kitchen, and if you have a range and you're, doing some sauteing and you notice that all of your oil drips to one part of the pan, or you have uneven heating, or your pans wobble on the stove top, it could be that your stove, range, oven, whatever you want to call it, is not level. So it's a simple fix. 95+% of these have adjustable feet on the bottom that you can raise or lower using just a wrench and a little elbow grease. Ours was leaning this way, and just to show you, I got it all leveled out as best as possible. So now we're level, and I am measuring on the actual range top itself, not relying on the grates that are up on top. And that's because these can warp over time and you can replace these, but measure or level from your actual framework or the body of the oven itself. And you can see we've got some wobble here, and that is specifically because I've got one leg that's a little loose, and there's not any wood flooring on the back side. So I'm going to tighten that up, snug it up, get it all leveled up, but I'm using that as a demonstration to show you just what you need to do. Okay, so down below you have feet. As you can see, there's a foot there and there's a foot here. You can pull out your drawer if you've got one and see, here it is right here. You can turn it. If you have the ability, you can turn it by your hand, or you can have some tools handy. The feet sizes may vary, so you can't rely directly on that. And for my purposes, I need to push this up and tighten it so it's just snug on the floor, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get back to you. Okay, so we've got our feet snugged up, and let me show you those again. Sorry for the dirtiness here, but that's an area that collects dust. We never opened this this drawer, so that's something we need to clean up. But here is the foot leveler. Again, you can use a crescent wrench, vice grips, whatever you got to get that broken loose, to tighten it or to loosen it. Again, make sure you use a level. There's ours, pretty darn close. I'm not using one of these small handheld levels. This is actually a, I don't know, what is this, like a 32-inch or a 30-inch level. You want your level to go most of the way across, whatever it is that you're leveling. Alright, a 4-foot level would be too big for this project. And you don't want, like I said, you don't want to use like a 6-inch or a foot-long level, because it's only going to level that area and not the full length. So this is a real simple fix. Took me about 5 minutes to do. This also will work for your refrigerators. Your refrigerators will also have leveling feet on the bottom of them, as well as some dishwashers. So if you feel like something's out of whack, if it's vibrating a lot, washer and dryers, common area where you'll find wobbling utilities. That slight wobble, that slight vibration will cause an inefficiency, believe it or not. So check it out. Make sure that you've got nothing that wobbles. We fixed our wobble, and we should now have an even heating surface, and we won't have the oil and stuff draining to one side. Alright, simple fix. Just thought I'd share, just in case you were wondering. Alright, on to the next.